Welcome to our English listening channel. Hello everyone. Today you will follow a simple conversation between Sarah and Charlie as they visit a coffee shop together. Have you ever ordered coffee in English? Do not worry. The characters will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story.
Charlie, I am tired. Do you want to get some coffee?
Yes, that sounds good. Where do you want to go?
There is a nice coffee shop on Main Street.
Perfect. Is it far from here?
No, it is very close. We can walk there in 5 minutes.
Great. I really need some coffee right now.
Me too. Let us go.
Do they have good coffee there?
Yes, they do. The coffee is very fresh and tasty.
This is a nice street. I like all the trees.
Yes, it is very pretty. The coffee shop is just around the corner.
What kind of coffee do you usually order?
I like cappuccino. What about you?
I prefer black coffee. It is simple and strong.
That is good too. Do you want to try something new today?
Maybe. I will see what they have on the menu.
They have many different drinks. You will find something you like. Here we are. This place looks nice and cozy.
Yes, it does. It smells really good in here.
That is the fresh coffee. They roast their beans every morning.
Wonderful. Where should we sit?
Let us order first, then we can find a table.
Good idea. I see the counter over there.
The menu is on the wall. Can you see it?
Yes, I can see it. There are many choices.
Take your time to decide what you want.
Wow, they have so many different coffees here.
Yes, they do. Do you see anything you like?
I see espresso, cappuccino, latte, and americano.
They also have iced coffee if you want something cold.
No, I want something hot today. What is a latte?
A latte has espresso and steamed milk. It is very smooth.
That sounds good. What sizes do they have?
They have small, medium, and large sizes.
I think I will try a medium latte.
So you want a medium latte. That is a good choice.
What are you going to order?
I think I will have my usual cappuccino.
What size do you want?
A small cappuccino is perfect for me.
Do you want any food with your coffee?
Maybe a muffin. They look very fresh.
Good idea. I am a little hungry too.
Are you ready to order now?
Yes, let us go to the counter.
Here we are. The barista looks very friendly.
Yes, she does. Do you remember what we want to order?
Yes, you want a medium latte and I want a small cappuccino.
Right. And you wanted a muffin too.
That is correct. What kind of muffin do you think they have?
I can see blueberry muffins in the display case.
Perfect. I love blueberry muffins.
Should I order for both of us?
Sure, that would be nice. Thank you, Charlie.
Hello. We would like to order some coffee, please.
Charlie, remember to speak clearly.
Yes, of course. Can I have one medium latte, please?
And I would like one small cappuccino, please.
We also want one blueberry muffin.
Is the muffin fresh?
Sarah, I am sure it is fresh. They make them every morning.
Great. How much is everything?
Can you tell us the total price, please? How much do we need to pay?
I can pay for my cappuccino and the muffin.
No, it is okay. I will pay for everything today.
Are you sure? That is very kind of you.
Yes, no problem. Here is my card.
Thank you, Charlie. Next time I will pay.
Do you take credit cards here?
Most coffee shops take cards now.
Good. Thank you very much.
Now we just need to wait a few minutes.
That is fine. I like watching them make the coffee.
Yes, it is interesting. They are very skilled.
I can hear the espresso machine working.
And I can smell the fresh coffee. It smells wonderful.
I am excited to try my latte.
I think you will really like it.
How long does it usually take?
Not long, maybe 3 or 4 minutes.
Perfect. I can wait. I think our order is ready now.
Yes, I can see our drinks on the counter.
Thank you very much. This looks perfect.
My cappuccino looks beautiful. Look at the foam art.
Wow, my latte has a heart design in it.
The barista is very talented.
And the muffin looks delicious, too.
Should we find a table now?
Yes, let us sit down and enjoy our coffee.
Where would you like to sit, Charlie?
How about that table by the window?
That looks perfect. We can watch people on the street.
And there is good natural light there.
Be careful with your latte. It is very hot.
Yes, I am holding it carefully.
This table is clean and comfortable.
Perfect. Let us sit down here.
I will put the muffin in the middle so we can share it.
This latte is really good. Thank you for bringing me here.
I am so happy you like it. My cappuccino is perfect too.
The muffin is very fresh and tasty.
Yes, it is. The blueberries are sweet and juicy.
I think I will come back to this coffee shop again.
Great idea. We can make this our regular coffee place.
The staff is very friendly and the atmosphere is nice.
And the prices are reasonable too.
Perfect. Should we finish our drinks and go?
Yes, let us take our time and then leave.
I hope this video helped you learn how to order coffee in English. Have you ever ordered coffee at a coffee shop? What is your favorite coffee drink? Please share your answer in the comments. Practicing simple conversations like this can help you feel more confident when speaking English in real situations. If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thank you for learning with us today. See you next time. Bye.